also put some heat tape in between these two pipes. In Advanced Auto, it was like $5. It's called Tiger Patch. I just wrapped it around the pipe once, and it gave that a very tight fit, which was awesome. So there's nothing leaking through, and that's kind of what this stock exhaust had anyway, so it's not that big of a deal. Another thing I'm going to do is just put a heat shield like wrap right here where that wire comes down. I don't think it's going to affect it, but the chance it does, I'm just going to put one there. But I'm pretty happy with it. I have the O2 sensor delete in progress right now, and the pair system delete. So the notorious backfire when you let off, which I haven't seen a lot of it. That's going to go away because it's really from the pair system putting fresh air into the exhaust. And the O2 delete is right here, and that's getting finished up now, so it should have helped the bike out a ton as well. But I'm very happy with the exhaust for the price, and they're going to send me a new center pipe because the threads on this on the pipe itself are a little boogered up. They're going to send me a new center piece. So for right now I don't care because I don't have the O2 sensor hooked up anyways. I just have it plugging that for now. But here we go. So like I said, the pair system delete gets rid of that backfire. It's these right here pumping fresh air into the exhaust head. It's an emissions thing, but the delete, it won't show a check engine light. It's like $25. All you do is unhook those, plug them, and plug in a little transmitter into the plug itself, and then you won't have those backfires. It's pretty standard with these pair systems, especially on aftermarket exhausts. But I'll update you on how that works. Overall, it has a good sound. For the price, you can't beat it, and a little fine tuning, it's going to be perfect.